About what are the different steps you see, and how might they be described? How might you describe them? So think about the words, Pro and Junie. Think about what words you can use to describe what you see. Notice this part of the step? What happened there? After we're finished all of that, going through each step, one at a time, talking and recording, we're going to do 3 steps, Miss Carrie. If you could maybe write them up there for us. Okay. The first step is we're going to talk for a few minutes, or for a minute, about what we want to record. We're going to talk. That's the first thing we're going to do. After that, we're going to decide. We're going to decide what we want to record, or maybe what you want to say in the recording. And then the last thing we're going to do is record.
One explanation. The graph, that's 2 explanations, and the equation. So you have 3 explanations of how did you find these answers using a table, a graph, and an equation. Okay? Alright, begin your work. For some of those that did not complete it or didn't quite understand, now's your chance. And I'm going to put parentheses up here in the book. That's what it looked like. When you get ready to multiply any type of fraction, change it into a decimal. Zero plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 0 plus 8 is 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 plus 1 is 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 7 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 2 is oh wait, 589. I don't add the remainder. Oh, add the remainder. Okay. Add the remainder plus 28. Now I want you to give a name to your partner's quadrilateral.
So you have to circle, highlight, put a box around that answer, so Ms. Trundle and I know that that is what your answer is, or rewrite it. So we're estimating 33 to be about 30%. And we calculated 30% of 150, which is 45.
No.
That's my final.
Evan? Alright. Sid?
Round.
Multiplication.
If our percent ends
So we
in
get
a
rid of the
0,
word,
a
use
1,
the
a
massive
2, or a
instead.
3, like 33.
Now with 150,
We're
I'm
gonna
going to
round
keep
that
150.
down to
But
30.
since I'm dealing with
So
a
the
fraction to begin with,
33%,
I want
we're gonna round it
150
down
in
to
fraction
30.
mode as well.
What are we going to round?
So
51
put
to?
150 into fraction format. What
50.
does 150 go
What are we going to
over?
round 62 to?
Over 1.
60.
There we go.
You guys with me on that?
And now all
So
you
if it
have,
ends in a 0, 1, or 2, or 3,
you
we're
have
going to round it
multiplication
down
problem with
to
2
the
fractions.
closest multiple to 10.
Okay. How do I multiply fractions?
Look at number 5. So I'm skipping 4. If it ends in a 7, 8, or 9, we round that sucker up.
Do I
So
need
28,
denominators?
what do we round that to?
Tell me that. Do I need
89,
denominators to
what do we
multiply?
round that to?
What do you
90.
think?
18.
No, you don't.
You guys
You
were-
keep coming out here.
The benefits are being able to work together, being able to share responsibilities, being able to help children when they need it.
Because they might do something for her that they're not doing for me, or vice versa, or I might see something differently than she sees it. It's two sets of eyes.
I love it. I honestly didn't think I'd like it at first, and now I love it. So, and I can't imagine not coming in here with daughter. It's very hard when we have sub.
It's great to have another person to bounce things off of, another adult in the classroom. We kind of finish each other's sentences. If one is teaching and the other one's helping a student and this one has to do, we just switch. It's just been great. It's been flowy and meshy, and we're kind of, it's just the same. It's smooth, yeah, we're the same.
Just to be able to bounce off ideas on each other and to be able to like plan together. This is my first year in 2nd grade, so it's been wonderful having Courtney as like almost my mentor.
Oh, I know, I'm sweet.